This is Audit Plan for Cypress Construction LLC. It has come to our attention that Cypress Construction LLC has potentially ignored ANSI Z10 standards for evaluating and giving corrective actions for incidents. Multiple reports from past workers of the company describe that injuries go unreported and conduct infractions seldom have repercussions for the workers involved. We would like to launch an audit to investigate these claims by reading company reports and interviewing workers and management of Cypress Construction. Following this description is our proposed audit plan involving the objectives and scope of the audit, highlighted in ISO 19011 Part 6.4, as well as role specifications and potential risks. Step 1, evaluation and corrective actions. This is the SIMS audit. It'll cover the period of the year 2023 to 2024. Audit objectives. Purpose and goals of the audit is to assess compliance with ANSI Z10 evaluation and corrective action element. Specific objectives. We're addressing the implementation of safety procedures and corrective actions taken to prevent accidents, verifying compliance with regulatory standards, identifying gaps in SIMS processes, ensuring continuous improvement in the safety and environmental performance. Audit scope of the audit, safety management, risk assessment, emergency preparedness, training and incident reporting, environmental management, waste management, air and water quality controls, environmental impact assessment, regulatory compliance with OSHA, EPA, and local regulations, system documentation, a review of SIMS policies, procedures, records, and reports. Limitations of this audit is that we will not cover the time span of organizational activities before March 23rd, 2023, or after November 6th, 2024. Geographic scope. This audit will cover all sites in the Port Fourchon and Grand Isle areas in Louisiana. Audit criteria. Standards, regulation, and frameworks used against which SIMS will be a test. 29 CFR 1910, EPA standards, ISO 1401-2015, OSHAS 1801, internal company and safety environmental policies, local or industry-specific regulations. Methodology, audit approach. We're using risk-based, compliance-based, and performance-based. Audit techniques, document review, SIMS manuals, procedures and records, interviews with safety officers, environmental managers, and operational staff, site inspections, physical inspections of work areas, facilities, and equipment, reviewing safety and environmental practices in action, sampling, select specific incidents, reports, or locations, or detailed examination, data collection methods, surveys or questionnaires for employees regarding safety awareness, review of safety audits, incident reports, corrective action plans, and environmental impact assessments. Audit team, roles and qualifications, lead auditor, Jacob Terracina, a certified in safety and environmental auditing, environmental specialist, Dexajon, experience in environmental compliance, safety specialist, Matthew Duplichamp, background in workplace safety regulations. Responsibilities. The safety specialist must investigate corrective actions carried out by management for employee training and safety for promoting a risk-free working. Audit timeline. The audit will commence on November 8th, 2024, conclude on December 8th, 2024. Risk assessment. Potential risks are a lack of access to key personnel or documentation, delays in providing necessary incident reports and corrective action reports, non-cooperation from employees or management. To mitigate these risks, we need to ensure early scheduling of interviews with key personnel and request key documents well in advance. Audit resources, access to SIMS-related documents, records, and reports, access to sites for inspections and observations, tools or software for data collection, analysis, and report preparation, external expertise if applicable, such as consultants or subject matter experts, budget and cost. We got personal cost, how many hours the audit team works, travel expenses, cost for third-party consultations or testing, software tools or systems for document review and analysis, conclusion and approval to sign off section for the audit plan by senior management or stakeholders. So audit plan has been reviewed and approved by Jacob Terracina, lead auditor, on November 25th, 2024. Audit team leader, signature